Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to extract leads from LinkedIn using Konnector. First, go to the Leads tab and then click on Add Lead List. Choose the search option and then select the LinkedIn account you want to create the lead list on. Enter a lead list name and adjust the import count if needed. Then go to LinkedIn and simply copy the search URL and paste it back into Konnector. Hit create and your leads will be imported. For extracting from post, select the post option in Konnector. Choose whether you want to import the profile who have liked or commented. Then go to LinkedIn, search for a post and simply copy the post URL. Paste it into Konnector and then hit create. If you want to extract leads from a group, first choose the group member option. Then make sure you have been a member of a group for at least 4 days. Open the group on LinkedIn, select all the connections, then copy the group URL and paste it back into Konnector. Then simply hit create. There are two ways to extract from companies. First, you can extract directly from a company profile. Just copy the company page URL and paste it into Konnector. Second, you can extract the company followers. Open the company page, click on the followers list and copy the URL. Please note that only first degree connections can be extracted by this method. Paste the URL into Konnector and then click on create. For events, choose the event option, then open the event page on LinkedIn, click on attendees, copy the URL and paste it into Konnector. After this, click on create. Your lead list will be created. You can also extract leads by uploading CSV. Just choose the upload CSV option. Prepare your CSV file with leads and upload it into Konnector for instant extraction. And that's it. With Konnector, you can extract leads from multiple LinkedIn sources in just a few clicks. Try it out and make your lead generation faster and easier. Thank you.